Hey, this is a quick place to tell you about one of my sponsors for this video. Um, Membrane Solutions. They make water bottles in different filters that you filter water with. So when I'm not running and have the space, I carry water bottles similar to this where I can filter water and drink it from a stream or a lake. Um, but yeah, that way I have nice, clean, filtered water anywhere you go. Filtered water. Yum. Cold stream water. So if you want to get one of these filters for yourself, these water bottles and filter combination, there will be a link in the description to my Amazon storefront, and that's where you can pick one up.